Team Creative Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can job cap the first letter in these two paragraphs here. Some of you might not be familiar with this job cap thing, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. You're going to come up all the way here and click on the word insert. Now when you click right here and insert, what eventually will happen, it will bring down the ribbon. Alright, so I click here and insert. Alright, so we're going to come all the way around here. You notice right down here is job cap. Alright, so let me block the first section right here. Notice when I block it, notice job cap, I click right here. Notice if I put the cursor on job, you notice how far I come. If I put it on this one, notice it's just along on the margin, so we're going to click right here. Alright, and then I'm going to block the next one, take your time, block it T like that. Then we're going to come right here, and then we're going to click like that. So now sometimes I open my book, I see these job cap stuff right here. That's exactly how they really get it. So I hope you have learned something from this video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.